same process. Told me to just get to the white lines and then we'll put her in. See, it's like this though, if I had a meter planer, you'd be overcutting by a hell of a lot. And it's just, then you've got to put back, and it's just a bit overkill, to be honest with you. Is it really needed? It's, yeah, a bit weird, to be honest with you. Like what you would, yeah, meter, just umming and ahhing. I just don't know. On some jobs it is wrong pound. I suppose I could add it to the arsenal. Woman here, we'll see what she wants. She doesn't look too chuffed. So she's gonna, I think she's definitely gonna get mad about why she can't be let in. But yeah, so many people just think they can just come through the road closure and then the rules don't apply. I'm like, come on, really? Like, you know, you can't just get in a road closure, can you? Like, just because you don't want to go the long way around or you don't want to go another way around. It mind boggles, to be fair. Look, the tree on the hydraulic lines. Yeah, the mind, some people's excuses are absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. And then you get it, people going, oh, I only live up here, and then they drive all the way through. Fair play for giving it, for them, you know, having a shot at getting through, but car behind now. Looks like we're going to stop. I think she played wholly, yeah, she's not too chuffed. Some more on the left hand side to do. Not too cold, not too warm. Ideal temperatures. Oh. Bit far out on the old boom. It's the trouble when you're just rocking it here, it doesn't and we're gonna do that cut there, and then the rest I think are on the opposite side of the carriageway. You just see them in the background. Up here and then we can move on to the next one. There's a car waiting to get out. I always find it, what do we talk about more on here? Maybe we need a topic for the video. We're just trying to showcase how easy, really quick the machine is. And how quickly you can go down, like, say we just did 2 defects, haven't we? You know, the space of you watching. I'm trying to not hit my GoPro on any of these trees. So yeah, and then I think that we can move on to the next one. Wait for this car while we're getting out of the way.